Hi boys and girls, we're going to talk about insects this week, and so today I have some things to show and share. If I were to go outside, I have my big magnifying glass because sometimes when you're looking for an insect it's really small, and so you might want to look at it under a magnifying glass. But things you need to know first about insects are there's some rules about whether a bug is actually an insect. And so I have some plastic insects here. I'm going to pull them out of my jar. I'm going to start with this really big guy here. That looks kind of like, if I hold it up, it looks kind of like a bumblebee. But insects have three body parts. They have, and I'm going to turn it around so you can see the three sections. They have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Three body parts. Head, thorax, abdomen. Another way to know whether a bug is an insect is how many legs it has. An insect has 3 legs on one side of its body and 3 legs on the other side of its body. So when you put that together, that's 6 legs. So if we count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. Insects have 2 antennas. Not all insects have wings, but some insects have wings. This looks like a bumblebee. It's yellow. You can see its stripes. And it's got 2 wings. I'm going to show you, pull out another insect from my jar. This one looks kind of like a bumblebee too because it's yellow, and these are toys, so they're not real. And so this one's very large and this one's very small. But you can see the 3 body parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen, and then the 6 legs, and they generally come out of right here in the middle, the thorax. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. And there's its wings. I'm going to set this one down here. This is a grasshopper, okay? So it's got 3 body parts. Let's see if I can show it to you. There's the head, the thorax, the abdomen. If I show you the underside, you can see the head, the thorax, the abdomen. 6 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, antenna, and then the grasshopper has wings, some wings. I'll set him right down here. This is a boll weevil. 3 body parts, head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, antenna. That's for this insect. I'm going to set him here. So, really cool word for you to learn is that when you're studying insects, that the science word, that word you're going to learn is that you are now called an entomologist. My turn, entomologist. Your turn, say it with me. Entomologist. I am a scientist who studies bugs. So I'm going to show you, because this is something we have for you to do this week for your learning time. I'm going to show you how to draw an insect. And so my chart says an insect. Insects have 3 body parts, head, thorax, abdomen, 6 legs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 antenna, and some insects have wings. And so now I'm going to use my paper right here and I'm going to draw for you an insect. So I'm going to start with my crayon, and I'm going to first draw its head. There's my head. I'm going to draw the thorax. And then I'm going to draw its abdomen. Now here's the cool thing about when you draw an insect. When we looked at these insects, they're different, aren't they? Very much different as far as the size, the shape of their abdomen, or their head, or their thorax, or their legs. So when you draw, you're drawing, you're the artist, it will be fabulous. So head, thorax, abdomen. Now I'm going to add my legs, and so I'm going to add a leg, a leg, a leg, 3 on that side, a leg, a leg, a leg, 3 on this side. And then I'm going to add the antenna, an antenna, and an antenna. I'm going to just make it fancy like this. Maybe Maybe you're going to add on your bug a stinger. I'm going to add a stinger down there on my insect. Maybe you'll decide that you want to add to yours wings, or maybe you want to make your insect, this part of the insect, maybe you want the thorax to be green. Maybe you're creating a new insect, and maybe you want its head to be brown. And maybe on the abdomen, maybe you want to put some stripes on the abdomen. I might even color this in. Have fun creating this week. We would like for you to draw an insect showing the 3 body parts, the 6 legs, the antenna, and the wings if you would like. Maybe you want to give your insect a name. Maybe it is a grasshopper that you're going to draw. Maybe it is a bee that you're going to draw. Or maybe you're going to create some kind of a new insect. It was good seeing you today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.